So, after uploading my last tutorial, I got a comment by a user saying, "Hey Mika, great tutorial. I already have all of the Goofy kills. I completed the Great Goofy Massacre quest. I was wondering if you could make a farming tutorial on the Rotor-Corn. Thanks." And I can. Now, they're not that hard. You're probably just grinding on the wrong part of the stage, where it's just harder. Here, let's hop into Cuphead and I'll show you. Great, now they're in Cuphead. We're gonna head into this stage, First Follies, where the Rotor-Corns appear. Now you're probably grinding them here. You might say, yeah, Mika is a good spot to grind. The problem is that the flower copters, or whatever you want to call them, keep falling down on you. With the many other distractions in this part. What you want to do is get to this part, and then just shoot at it. I recommend the... damn, I forgot what it's called, but I'll put it up on the screen. It's the one I'm using right now. It just lets you focus. This section is really fast, no one will bother you. Aside from the binary conch. Now the quest, the quest needs the acorn carpenters to work. Rotor-Corn, sorry. Requires a lot of kills, so this farming method is definitely, I would have to say, the most effective one. Yeah, no, I remember when I had to do that quest, it was really annoying. But I just sat here for a bit, and it just, like, worked. Now the reason I'm using this yellow shirt instead of cracked shirt is so that I don't shoot the machine on accident. But I'll show you guys here, real quick. Oh, I guess I won't. But yeah, no, yeah. The end of the stage is right there. Anyways, I hope this helps all of you guys who are having trouble with the quest. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.